Welcome to the ScaleB channel, powered by ARAS Innovator. Welcome to ARAS PLM Essentials for SMBs, by ScaleB. A series designed to help small and mid-sized businesses simplify product lifecycle management. In today's fast-paced world, quality isn't optional, it's essential. SMBs faces real challenges without a strong PLM quality management system. Data stays scattered in spreadsheets, teams work in silos, and issues take longer to resolve. Missing documentation creates compliance risks, while inconsistent processes lead to rework and higher costs. And as products get more complex, scaling becomes even harder. Introducing ARAS Quality Management, a fully integrated solution that embeds quality into every step of your product lifecycle. With ARAS Quality Management, you get a connected, streamlined, and compliant way to manage quality, so your teams can work faster, make better decisions, and deliver confidently. With ScaleB, you can proactively plan using DFMEA, PFMEA, and other APQP tools like Process Flow Diagram and Control Plan, identifying potential risks before they become costly issues. This means fewer surprises, stronger designs, and a foundation for excellence from day one. When problems arise, speed and accuracy matter. ARAS delivers a closed-loop CAPA process that tracks every corrective and preventive action from root cause to resolution. No gaps, no guesswork, just complete traceability and confidence that issues stay solved. Regulatory compliance shouldn't slow you down. ARAS keeps you audit-ready with workflows aligned to ISO 9001, AS 9100, and FDA standards. Every document, every approval, every change, securely managed and instantly accessible for stress-free audits. Unlike standalone QMS tools, ARAS integrates quality with PLM, change management, and supply chain processes, creating a true digital thread for your enterprise. It is truly integrated, scalable, and future-ready solution. Subscribe for more PLM insights. Visit scaleb.com to learn more.